How to clean a surface plate. At the end of this video, I'm going to go through a few more techniques and a few other options for cleaning and some stuff you really need to avoid. Please take a second, like and subscribe. I'll appreciate it, and it's free. Okay, let's get started right now. I want to do a little demo, like a quick tool tip on how to clean a surface plate. How do you know, first of all, if a surface plate's dirty? This plate looks clean, and I rub my hand on it, and nothing comes off, so it looks relatively clean. When I slide something on it, it slides easy, and then it kind of stops a bit. And if you look, see how I can push on one spot, it doesn't slide over? It's sticking. Like here, you feel sticky spots? So those spots are actually dirt that's on the actual surface plate. Now, most people will just spray and wipe. What you want to do is spray the block down for a second, let it sit, and then, this is the crazy part, go around in circles with your fingertips. Because you want to bring up all of the actual dirt that's on the plate. Now, if you see how it's raising above, see how it's white and dark? I don't know if you'll be able to get that with the camera. Can you see how it looks? The clear liquid or blue liquid turned milky, and this is a relatively clean surface plate. This isn't a dirty one. You also want to use surface plate cleaner. You don't want to use soaps because the soap will actually leave a film. And you wait till it turns white again, and you can feel, just by even with the cloth on here, you can feel that it's much cleaner. Clean off the bottom. Just hovers across. And that's how you clean a surface plate. Okay, let's talk about what not to use, okay? Some guys will say, hey, use WD-40. That might be okay on a cast iron plate, but absolutely do not use it on a granite plate. Okay? Also, stay away from anything that's used to clean a kitchen or a bathroom. Okay? Because some of those cleaners have muriatic acid in them, and it'll chew through your granite plate. Also, don't use soap that foams up like a foaming soap, because it'll leave a scum on top of the plate, and that's the last thing that you want. Okay, what to use? What I love is Starrett surface plate cleaner. That is my go-to, my favorite thing to use. You can also use an ammonia base as long as it doesn't have any muriatic acid in it. Help avoid doing the heavy cleaning. Cover the granite plate when you're not using it. That will prevent oils and spills and just people setting stuff on it as it's more counter space. Well, I hope that you enjoyed some of these tips, and if you have, please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. All you have to do is click on the icon on my face and I'll take care of the rest. Have a great night and thanks for watching.